Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 98-04 Dodge Durango left front. This is also good for the Dodge Dakota 4-door. We've got a screw down there. Usually we've got a screw up there in the cover over the side of your mirror. There's a tab behind the handle that you pull to get out, and there's a screw behind that. 2 Phillips on the bottom. Need to pop off that housing from the back. You can pop it off from the back. The front has the tab on it. Unplug it. You're going to lift it up. Got a couple rods on the other side that just unclip. It's pretty easy. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That will help other people such as yourselves find it on YouTube. I didn't check it out first. I'm testing it out to make sure that's a problem, but that was it. 10mm bolts. Let's take this off so you can see everything. 10mm bolts. And you're going to use the smallest bolts when you put them back onto the glass. A little bit of WD-40 on the 2 channels, the up and down channels on the sides that the glass travels in. Every 3 or 4 months, it's a good idea. You've got some 10mm bolts all around. Let's take those out. No idea why it's going like that. Seems like we're back to normal now. Sorry for that little delay. Put some of the 10mm in. Oh, I did, I tried to show you, but I didn't. On these, there's one for the 98 and 99, one for the 2000 to 04. The manufacturers covered both options by putting different hole patterns on the mount for the motor. You'll see A patterns, there's 3 bolts, and you'll see B patterns, there's 3 bolts for that. So if it doesn't fit one way, try it the other. It's pretty simple. Again, using the smallest bolts on the bracket, because if you use the longer ones, they butt up against one of the metal pieces inside the door and it'll make a sound. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, and you probably don't, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask right here on YouTube. I'll get to them within a day or so. And again, if this was beneficial for you, go ahead and like the video, L-I-K-E, like the video. And I can't think of anything else to tell you of any importance, so I'll let it go. And thank you for watching. Have a good week.